Here's a little thumbnail sketch of what to expect here for our weekend storm. First, of course, we have the cold on Saturday. It's the snow, though, that I expect is really going to slow you down. The snow will be starting midday on Sunday. Right now, it looks like a 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. start, and it's heaviest, the snow is heaviest in the afternoon and evening on Sunday. And yes, I'm expecting that there will be snow through the morning commute on Monday. So even at this early stage, you may want to be thinking about a snow day on Monday. It is certainly a possibility. In terms of accumulation, it's looking more and more likely that we're going to have at least 8 inches of snow up and down the valley, and in some spots more than a foot is a possibility as well. So this will be a big storm for us here in the Pioneer Valley. In the meantime, the first half of the day here tomorrow is quiet. Temperatures in the teens and low 20s at 5 o'clock tomorrow morning. A little bit of sunshine, a mixture of sun and clouds here tomorrow. During the middle of the day, more than likely early afternoon, here's 12 o'clock, we're going to get a little burst of clouds and perhaps a few scattered flurries or light snow showers. You can see them, it's kind of subtle, but there will be a few of those here during the early to mid-afternoon. And then after 3 o'clock, you can see these clouds kind of drifting through. That's the push of colder air coming in here with a brisk wind. And actually, it's a little bit clearer there after 7 p.m., but you get the idea. Cold air returns with wind chill values well below zero, and our actual air temperature will be around or below zero at 7 o'clock Saturday morning. Saturday is a dry day, but a cold day with a high of 10 to 14 degrees. It's Sunday when the snow starts, and again, 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. In fact, I'm going to start here at 9 o'clock Sunday morning, watch the snow arriving through 1 o'clock, and the snow is heaviest, these darker blues here, late Sunday afternoon and through Sunday evening, and yes, even some snow during the morning commute here on Monday. Notice 7 o'clock on Monday morning, it's still snowing over the Pioneer Valley. So be ready for what is looking more and more likely to be a big winter storm here. Scattered clouds tonight, overnight low of 14 to 20, 22 new storm team daycast for tomorrow, 20 at 7 o'clock. 28 flurries at noontime. The breeze picks up late afternoon and it's windy at 7 p.m. with temperatures in the teens. The wind will make it feel like it's below zero through the evening and overnight hours tomorrow night into early Saturday. 22 new storm team 7-day forecast, 30 flurries and breezy. Breezy, dry on Saturday, 12. Snow on Sunday, the 22 new storm team weather alert primarily for the snow. Light snow continues on Monday, perhaps into the afternoon. 22, and then dry Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday with temperatures in the 20s. We'll continue to track our snow situation and our cold situation on 22 News at 4:30 a.m. Weather anytime with our 22 News app on your mobile device.